in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set or change the startup page on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Safari web browser and then select Safari up in the menu bar, select Settings, and then the General tab should be the default page landing here. Where it says Safari opens with, click the drop down and you can select a new window, private window, all windows from the last session, or all non-private windows from the last session. But you can also set a custom home page right here just by copying it and pasting it in, or you can set to whatever current page is open. You make that selection and then select change home page, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.